Hi, this is Rob Magan. I'm president of Paramount Construction. This is Lori Magan, who handles our real estate sales. We have the largest list of prime building lots in the DC metro area. And I like to say we build the coolest new homes on those building lots. We focus on building inside the Beltway in the best school districts in Arlington, McLean, Falls Church, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, and Northwest DC. We are completely different than every other builder in that everything we do is designed to fit perfectly on each lot. We've never designed or built the same home twice. Here's a few homes we've designed and built. We build contemporary homes. We build arts and crafts homes. We build homes for wide lots. We build plans for narrow lots. We build modern plans. We build modern farmhouse plans. We build plans with first floor master bedrooms. We build plans with swimming pools. We build plans with 3-car garages. So if you would like something completely different, a very unique home on a unique lot, give us a call, contact us. There's probably some place on this page where we have some contact information. And I enjoyed making this video for you, and I hope to talk to you soon.